Ladakh, the land of high passes. Ladakh is a region administered by India as a union territory and constituting a part of the larger Kashmir region. Ladakh is part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, divided into two parts, Leh and Kargil. Ladakh is an 82,000 square kilometer region stretching from the Kunlun mountain range to the mighty Himalayas. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of the Jammu and Kashmir. The altitude of Ladakh region varies from about 3000 meter to 8000 meter. Due to its high altitude, climate is very cold. Ladakh is also known as Khapa Chan, which means a snowland. Dras, one of the coldest places on earth where humans live, is located in Ladakh. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh. The Siachen Glacier is 72 km long and the largest glacier outside the polar regions. The day temperatures in Ladakh are just above 0 degree and the night temperature can drop as low as minus 30 degrees centigrade. The winters are very cold and the temperatures may remain below minus 40 degrees centigrade for most of the time. Ladakh lies in the rain shadow zone of the mighty Himalayas, so the rainfall is very low in this area. Ladakh experiences freezing winds and burning hot sun. That is why people here can suffer from both sunstroke and frostbite at the same time. Due to low rainfall, the vegetation is scanty. There are small patches of grasses and shrubs for animals to graze. Trees like willows and poplars are seen in the valley. The finest cricket bats are made from the wood of willow trees. In the summer seasons, fruit trees like apples, apricots, and walnuts grow here. You can find birds like the robins, redstarts, and Tibetan snowcock. The animals of Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak, and different types of dogs. People have domesticated these animals and use them for obtaining milk, meat, and hides. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. The chiru or the Tibetan antelope is found in Ladakh. It is hunted on a large scale for its light, warm wool known as shahatush. In recent years, chiru has become an endangered species. Like in Tibet, traditional houses in Ladakh are also built using stones, timbers, and mud in various forms, such as sun-dried mud bricks and rammed earth for plastering floors and roofs. The buildings reflect people's lifestyle, with pens for their cows on the ground floor and Buddhist altar roofs. The people of Ladakh traditionally lead a nomadic pastoral life. The people of Ladakh have a prominent occupation, which is agriculture. The people of Ladakh are keen in trade and travel to long distances for seeking favorable prices for their products. Buddhism is the main religion of Ladakh. A peaceful and calm lot, the people of Ladakh are proud of their rich culture. Whether it is in their daily lifestyle or during a festival, they always celebrate with enthusiasm. Since the people of Ladakh have a similar culture to that of the Tibetan people, it is so secret that the food habits and cuisines of Tibetans are commonly followed in Ladakh. Dishes like thukpas, momos, skew, and thentu are commonly cooked in Ladakhi homes. Food items like paba and tangtur, as well as butter tea, are ancient recipes that still are popular in Ladakh. The men folk in Ladakh commonly wear a long woolen robe that is called goncha in their local language. Women, on the other hand, wear a similar robe, but it is styled differently and is called kuntop and the bok. Women also dress their hair in a pigtail style. Some men follow this style too. A perak or a long hat is also commonly worn in Ladakh. The people of Ladakh also celebrate several festivals throughout the year, some of the famous ones being Losar, Hemis Sechu, and Sakar Dawa. Ladakh is famous for its rich culture. The most remarkable sacred art that we see in Ladakh is at Alki Monastery. Alki monasteries have the oldest surviving paintings in Ladakh and are famous for the special wall paintings and terracotta sculptures along with sand mandalas and traditional Thangka paintings. There are many greetings which are said in Ladakhi language. Some of them are good morning, which is translated to Ladakhi as Nato Delik. Hi or hello, which is translated to Ladakhi as Jule. Thank you, which is translated to Ladakhi from English is O Jule. Thank you.